Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Twitch shake effects on Capcut mobile. So first you can just add your clips into Capcut, and now go to the second clips, click on it and go to animations. Under the in category, find and select the shake to effect, this one, and adjust it for 0.3 seconds. Apply it to all of the photos if you have more than one. And after that, here on the second photo, you can start adding the Twitch shake. First, you can go to the background and click on blur. Select the first option, click on the check icon. Now under the the second clip, you can go to effects and add the shake effect under the nightclub category. This one, click on a check icon and make it smaller than the videos. So I'm going to go like this, and now add two keyframes on the effect. At the start, set the speed to 100 and intensity 60. Now on the second keyframe in here at the end, you can set the all of the settings into 0, just like this. And now click on grabs and custom, and make the custom effects like this. Custom grab. Click on a check icon and now add the same effect. So I'm going to just duplicate this one, but remove the keyframe and make the length the same with the clip. Adjust the speed into 5 and intensity 8. Click on the check icon and now add the edge glow effect, video effects, lens, and then edge glow. This one, click on the check icon, make the length the same with the videos, and then add keyframes. So on this one in here, you can click on object first to add keyframe and choose all videos, and then add a keyframe at the start, set the glow to 100, and at the end make it 0. Click on a check icon and now go to the video effects again and add the blurry focus under the opening and closing. Blurry focus, this one. Click on a check icon and make the line the same with the videos. Add two keyframes in here in the effects. First keyframe, blur 100 and speed 10. Click on a check icon and on the second keyframe, blur and speed 0. Use a custom grabs. Click on a check icon and now add the shake effect again in the middle of the video. So I'm going to start in here, go to video effects, nightclub, and add the same shake effect. Click on a check icon, put it at the bottom. So add a keyframe at the start and at the first keyframe all of the speed and intensity to 0, and on the last keyframe in here set the intensity to 30 and speed into 20. Click on a check icon, and now click on grabs and use a custom grabs like this. Click on a check icon and add a video effects again in here under the shake effect. Add a wide angle effect. Click on a check icon and put the wide angle effect under the shake effect before. Okay, now for the wide angle, add a keyframe. At the start, intensity 0. At the second one, intensity 100. Click on a check icon, and now you can click on the videos and add 2 keyframes at the end just like this. And on the second keyframe, zoom in the video and use a custom grab like this, and you are done. You can just copy all of the effects for the rest of the clips, and this is your Twitch effects, Twitch shake effect. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.